32 mil for the axle nut. Remove this here. Let's go. So a 19 mil for one side and a 17 for the other one. Here. Move these. Okay, they're off. Pull this back. Now, grab yourself a pry bar and hit it here. There, it came off. You pried off. It's not leaking. Okay, we're all right. Be ready. Have your axle in hand. Just there, seated completely. Push this back. Align it. Align it. Put this back on. Let's get off of your hands. You want to push the knuckle back like this. You want to have it in the middle. Let's grab the 19. Push it. It's going to be kind of tough. Let's see if we can do this. Yeah. Shut up. There. And now for the final touch, I'm gonna hit it here. That's